Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Fortnite on any unsupported Android device and fix the incompatible GPU error or device not supported error that you might get. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on the link in the description and it'll take you to this site. And as you can see, you have the Fortnite APK and the APK Editor Pro, and these are the two things that you will need for this fix. So first, what you want to do is just click here to download Fortnite. So just click on it, click on the one, and it should take you to this site. So here is the Fortnite version 8.1 APK, and what you want to do is click on download all and click on download this file. Once you do that, click on OK and wait for it to be downloaded. Even though this is the 8.1 version of Fortnite, this will work and the app will update itself without causing any problems for you. So don't worry if you're watching this in, I don't know, version 9, etc. Just do it and it will work for you then also. When it's done downloading, what you want to do is click on open and open the application. And now what you want to do is just click on install and wait for it to finish. Okay, and once it's done, it will say that this app is safe, so it doesn't contain any viruses. And what you want to do is click on done. And now what you want to do is simply open the application. And as you can see, it says device not supported. Fortnite requires 3 GB of RAM minimum, and this is okay. We want to get this message, and once you get it, what you want to do is just click on quit and exit the application. And now what you want to do is go to the site again and now download the APK Editor Pro. So click on the number 2, it says click here to download the APK Editor Pro. It should take you to this site, and now just click on download all, click on download this file and click on OK. Click on OK, and once it's done, just click on open or just open the application. Click on install and wait for it to finish. And now just let it finish scanning. It might not do this for you, I don't know why it's doing it for me, but as you can see, this app is safe. It's not a virus, and once it's done, just click on done. And what you want to do now is open the application. So just click on it, click on allow, and now click on select an APK from app. So select APK from app and now find Fortnite and click on it. And now what you want to do is click on full edit resource rebuild option and wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, what you want to do is go to the files tab. So it's at the bottom, just click on it. And now click on Dex SMALI option. So click on it. You can now close it and wait for it to finish. So it is DAEX SMALI. Just click on it and wait for it to finish. And as you can see, it says successfully decoded DEX files. Now what you want to do is open the SMALI folder. So it's the second one. I don't know how to read it, sorry. Just click on it. Go to COM. Go to Epic Games. Go to UE4. It says Unreal Engine 4. And select gameactivity.smali. So let me see if I can find it, and there it is, gameactivity.smali. or something like that. And what you want to do is just click on it. Now once you do that, what you want to do is click on the search at the bottom. So click on the search icon, click on find, and type process system info. The S and the I are capital letters. And now what you want to do next is just search for it, and there may be a couple of matches, so you need the one that says .register 32. Once you find it, what you want to do is just click on under it and add the following lines. So const slash, so you need const slash 4 v0 comma 0x1. And now what you want to do is click on the new line. So you want to go to the to another line and click and type return v0. So let me show it to you. And now what you want to do after you add all of these things is just save the file. So click on the icon in the bottom left corner. There it is. It says file saved, and go back. And now once you're done, just click on build. So that is the button in the top right corner. Click on build, and as you can see, it takes a little bit of time. It has 3 steps, and just wait for it to finish. Okay, and now once it's done, what you want to do is just click on remove to uninstall the first version of Fortnite. And it says, do you want to uninstall this app? So just click on OK and wait for it to finish. And by this, you're uninstalling the version that didn't work. And now what you want to do is click on install. Click on install again. And there it is. It says that this app is safe. It doesn't contain any viruses. And now what you want to do is click on close, exit the application, exit APK editor, and now just open Fortnite and it should run without device not compatible error or GPU not supported, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.